Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got a chair from OdinLake. They were kind enough to send this over to me to test out and share with you guys. I was actually needing a nice office chair and this seems like it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to share this with you guys. I've got a nice promo code if anybody's interested down below in the description of this video. You guys can copy that and get a nice discount off of this chair. So stick around and see what we've got. So first impressions while I'm opening this up, it's a really large box and pretty heavy too, but there's no visible damage on the box itself, and inside everything's packed really well, separated by foam and bubble wrap. They've done a great job making sure nothing gets damaged. Now, as I'm laying this all out, I've noticed there's one tool that you're going to need to assemble this. They've already provided that along with all the screws that are labeled, and a really nice pair of gloves that you can use to assemble this, which is actually pretty nice. I found it helpful to have, and it kept my hands clean as well as keep any fingerprints off of the stainless steel while I'm working, so I don't have to finish up by wiping everything down when I'm done assembling it. This was pretty easy to assemble, and the directions that were provided are very clear and detailed, so I didn't have to guess on how to put this together at all. And all the screws that are needed are labeled so you know exactly where they need to go, and the Allen wrench that they've provided works on all the screws. I'm just going to speed through this assembly real quick, get the chair finished, and then pick back up. Now I've got the chair finished. I'm going to move on to installing a footrest. This is an add-on that you can add onto this chair, and it folds underneath out of the way when you're not using it. This is really nice to have the option to recline back and put your feet up when you want to, and then fold it away when you're done. This set comes on its own, separate from the chair, so it came with its own Allen wrench and screws, everything packaged up really nice as well. I'm going to assemble this. This takes no time at all to put this together. Alright, the chair's finished now. I'm going to do a quick test run with this. Now initially, before touching any of the adjustments, it feels great, really comfortable, but just about everything on this chair is adjustable. So it's completely customizable to be adjusted to fit whoever's sitting in it. But I've had it now for a couple weeks and it's a great chair, really comfortable. I've got no complaints so far, and it seems to be built really well and would last a long time. So if anybody's in the market for a nice office chair, this is a great upgrade. It will last a long time. Great quality chair. But I'll leave the promo code down in the description below, as well as on the screen here. You can just put my name, Simon, in as a promo code. That will give you 12% off of this chair. This chair is already on sale for Black Friday, and if you're going to be buying it soon, you'll get it on sale plus the promo code with an additional 12% off. If you're interested, I'll leave the link to this chair down in the description below. But thanks again to OdinLake for sending over this chair. I really enjoyed it, and it's probably the most comfortable office chair I've sat in. That just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button down below, and don't forget to check out the channel if you want to see more videos. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.